Some overspray from my magic spray bottle illuminated this little baby. It's little, but it's very cute, and I like the mammillary bumps on that side, and there's a little druzy pocket here. Just kind of neat. I was really hoping the sun would shine today because it makes it so much easier to see these agates. But sometimes they're just sticking out of the ground saying, "Take me home!" Ooh, and look at this pretty little Jasper right behind it. That's pretty. Here's another one I'm not positive about, but I'm pretty sure that it's got some agate stuff in it. Not necessarily the moss agate that I'm used to, but it looks like it's got all these different kinds of quartz pockets, swirlies. I wouldn't normally get too excited about this, but I can see from these little windows that it actually has, it's actually an agate. It's a nice chunk of an agate. It has a little bit of jasper right here. And all of this is oxidation and I believe calcite on the outside. Calcite, something white. Sometimes they form the white stuff on the outside. So I'm going to take this home. I will do a little research so that I can actually answer the question of what that white stuff is. But this is a pretty nice sized agate, so I'm happy. Jasper, why do you do this to me? Why are you so beautiful? This is a little hard to see, and it may just be nothing at all, but it has agate type shape and texture, and inside it looks like it has lines, like banding, not banding exactly, just like laid down lines. And I've seen iris agates cut from Montana. I don't know that I've ever found one, but I keep hoping, so we'll take it home, see what happens. that's very green. That's kind of like chartreuse. I've been trying not to pick up every piece of jasper I see, but there are some things that you just can't resist. Look at this. Just look at all those crystal pockets, the colors. Oh, Jasper, how I love you. I found this buried in the gravel. It looked absolutely black. It was all covered with mud and slime. Okay, not slime. It's too dry for that. But anyway, it did not look at all like anything except that the shape was different. And so I kicked it out of the dirt, used my trusty magic spray bottle to wash it off, and poof. Sometimes agates are so dark that they trick you. I washed this one off and I kind of was almost positive that it was one of those black basalt nodules with feldspar in it, that they have the same shape as an agate. And I washed it off, and I don't know if you can see it because it's pretty dark, but there is Montana agate with inclusions, and it is going to be just beautiful.